So today we are going to review the cow card. And so our goal for today is to read and spell words with the ow sound. And there's two spellings on the cow card, O-U and O-W. And our goal is to be able to decode any word with that grapheme, those graphemes in it, but we want to do them accurately and fluently. So that is what we are going to be working on all week. And so today I'm going to kind of introduce them. So I decided to go on the internet and see, is this an important sound spelling card? Do we use OU or OW very much when we are reading words? And look at all these amazing words that I found. Wow. I found 2 slides and there were more. So I realized this is a really important one. So our goal is to be able to read all of these words because we know what those patterns are in the word. As you know, whenever we kind of work on our decoding and our reading, we always start with being able to hear and manipulate that particular sound. So we are going to dive in and just do a little bit of practice hearing the sounds. Because we are going to say the sounds in house. So say those with me. You can tap on your desk, you can use your markers, or you can tap your fingers like I'm going to do. So let's do the sounds. Ow, s, house. How many sounds in house? That's right, 3. And do we hear the ow sound? Where is it? At the beginning, the middle, or the end? That's right, it's in the middle. Ow, s, house. Our next word is crowd. Let's say the sounds. Crowd, crowd. How many sounds in crowd? That's right, 4. And where's ow? That's right, it's in the middle of the word. Okay, let's do one more. Ow, crown. What's the word? Crown. How many sounds in crown? 4. Where's the ow? In the middle of the word. Now I'm going to give you a word and I want you to tell me what the word is. Ow, what's the word? Bounce. That's right. I bounce the basketball. Here's our next word. Ouch. What's the word? Grouch. Good job. Next word. Ow, What's the word? Flounder. Next word. Account. What's the word? Account. Last word. Out. What's the word? Cloud. Nice job, everybody. So we are doing a great job being able to hear the sound of ow in our words. So that's going to help us a lot when we go to reading in just a moment. So the cow card has 2 spellings. So this is the cow card. The sound is ow. You already know that. And it has 2 spellings. The OW is the most frequent, and OU happens sometimes. So the OW is almost always used at the end of a word or syllable, like cow, now, power, or shower. And the OU is used at the beginning or the middle of a word or syllable, like an ounce, house, or loud. So those are some examples. Now, there is one little exception here. If the word rhymes with down or owl, like these do, we usually use owl. So that's going to help us a little bit when we do some spelling. So what I'd like you to do, and you're going to do this a little bit later today, but quickly on your paper, draw a really fast Frayer model. We do these all the time, so you guys are really good at that. And I want you to just kind of record some things that I tell you about the card, okay? And then you can finish this up a little bit later when we're in group time. So ow is a diphthong. And as I said, there are 2 spellings. So the cow card has 2 spellings. And as I just told you, ow, OW, is at the end of the word or syllable. And OU is at the middle or the beginning of a word. So I want you to think about, I've given you some examples. What's one word you can think of that has ow in it? Anybody want to unmute and share?
Ouch.
Yes, out. Excellent. Anybody else want to share one?
The couch.
Couch. Oh, I love that one.
Proud.
Proud. Oh, yes. Excellent.
Hound.
Yes. Hound. Excellent. All right. Those are great examples. Thank you, everybody. So now for non-examples, and you're going to work on this a little bit later, but there's one thing I want to point out to you. This is a tricky one because the spelling OU is actually on two different cards. So it's actually on the cow card, but it's also on the spoon card. So that OU can also make the oo sound. There are going to be some non-example words. So I gave you a couple of them here. So we will finish this up a little bit later, but I just wanted to remind you a little bit about the cow card that you have learned about before. So let's just do some fast blending of words. So with the ow sound. So follow along with me and we'll do a couple together and then you'll do some with a partner. So sound, ow, lend, how, lend, house. What's the word? House. Excellent. I live in a house. There's our next word. Sound, ow, lend, dow, down. What's the word? Down. Nice job. I went down the stairs. Sound, ow, cow, town. What's the word? Town. I live in a town. Nice job. Ow, blend, frau, blend, frown. What's the word? Frown. Good. Ow, sow, south. What's the word? South. My family lives in the south. Ow, how, hound. What's the word? Hound. Ow, pow, pouch. What's the word? Pouch. Now, with a partner, I want you to quickly read these ow words and then think of your own 3 words of your own that you could add to our list. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Go. Now, good practice with your partner. You guys are doing great. Now, you're going to do this one on your own in your head. And then when I say, what's the word? You're going to give me the whole word. What's the word? Nice job. What's the word? Nice job. What's the word? Good job. What's the word? What's the word? The GHT has the t. So this is out, drought. We are in a drought in California. Okay, next word. Excellent. House. Nice job. Next word. What's the word? Great. What's the word? And what's the word? You guys are doing great. All right. Excellent job decoding a few words. You guys are going to be masters at this week. Now we are going to learn how to spell with our words. Okay. So our first word is south. We just read it, but let's learn how to spell it. So let's say the sounds in south. South. How many sounds? 3. How many lines should you draw on your paper? That's right, 3. How many sound spelling cards would we use? That's right, 3. So what's the first sound in south? S. Correct. What spelling would that be at the beginning of the word? Correct. It would be an S. Okay, what's the second sound in south? Ow. Oops. So ow. So in the middle of the word, would that be O-U or O-W? What do we think there? Okay, O-U. Correct. Write that down. And what's our last sound? South. You guys know that one? That's right. That's T-H. Excellent. So that is how you spell the word south. Our next word is pound. Everybody say the sounds in pound. 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 How many sounds? 4. How many lines on your paper or whiteboard? Correct. 4 lines. Okay. Now, what's the first sound? That one's easy. You guys know that. What's our second sound? Ow. Which spelling would it be? Right. Exactly. O-U. Next sound. You guys know that one. Last sound. D. Excellent. That's the D. Nice job. Next word is hound. Let's say the sounds. Ow, d. Sorry, that wasn't very good. Hound. How many sounds? Correct. 4. How many lines? 4. Right. Okay, let's do the sounds. You know that one? Excellent. Ow. You have to make a decision. It is O-U. What's the next sound? Last sound, D. Correct. Nice job. Next word, pouch. Ouch. How many sounds? 3. How many lines? Correct. 3 lines. First sound. Next sound, ow. Okay, we got to make a decision. O-U. Last sound, ch. Right, you know that one, C-H. You guys are doing outstanding with your spelling today. Okay, let's ramp it up a little bit. Thousand. Let's do the sounds. Aus, and 6 sounds. So we need 6 lines on our paper. Okay, first sound. You guys know that one? You guys are masters at that one. Ow. Okay, we have to make a decision. O-U or O-W? Correct, O-U. Whoop, next sound. S. Excellent. A. Good. D. You've got it. 1,000. That is how you spell the word 1,000. Outstanding job. Grouch. Let's say the sounds. G, r, ouch. Grouch. 4 sounds, 4 lines. Yeah. First sound. G. Good. Second sound. R. Good. Third sound. Ow. Have to make a decision. There you go. O-U. Last sound. Ch. Excellent. I love Oscar the Grouch. Okay, so it is your turn now. So without me, you can do this by yourself or with a partner. Check your work. You are going to take our phoneme graphing paper that you have, and you are going to spell all those words on your own. So you're going to write south, pound, hound, pouch, 1,000, and grouch. And then we'll check them in about 1 minute. Okay, let's check our work. Here's what you should have, except that has a mistake in it. Sorry, that should not have an O. Just saw that. So S-O-U-T-H, south. And G-R-O-U-C-H is grouch. You guys did an excellent job on your spelling this week. We'll do a couple more words tomorrow. And so we'll learn how to spell some more words from our spelling tomorrow. Great job, everybody. Later today, but you'll have some time to practice what I just introduced. So you'll have some time to work with a partner on reading the OU and OW words that I showed you earlier today. You can finish your Frayer model in your interactive notebook. You're going to have some time to practice your reading for fluency, and you have those passages to practice with. And this week on Friday, you're going to make a video of yourself reading it so I can hear how amazing you are. You can play the OU games in ConnectEd, or you can create your own list of interesting OWL words in your interactive notebook. So we will work on that a little bit later today. Here's our words that you're going to practice reading with a partner. So I am going to stop my demo there. So that was, I think, about 15 minutes, right? So it was pretty fast, but that is me modeling the hear, see, say, write. So just, can you hear it? Can you manipulate it? Can you make a connection to the sound spelling card? And how does that work? Can you blend words with those graphemes? And can you write and spell words with those graphemes? Should be fast-paced, interactive. They're doing most of the work, reviewing, just kind of quickly getting them really focusing on attending to the words on the page and how to decode them and what do you do if you don't know how to read a word or how to spell a word that you don't know how to spell. So it's a very, very, very explicit instruction on how that works.